If equipped, you'll find the power sunshade and power sunroof controls between the sun visors on the overhead console. The sunshade control is on the right, and the sunroof control is on the left. To express open the sunshade, push the right side control toward the rear and release it within 1/2 second. The sunshade will open automatically from any position. Any use of the control will stop express open. To open it manually, push and hold the control toward the rear. To partially open, release the control wherever you like. For express close, push the control forward and let it go within 1/2 second. The sunshade will automatically close from any position. Any use of the control will stop the sunshade. To close it manually, push and hold the control in the forward position. The sunroof control on the left works the same way. Quickly push the control toward the rear for express open or toward the front for express close. Any use of the control will stop either of these functions. You can open or close the sunroof manually, and you can release the control at any time to open or close it just part of the way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.